How to return correctly on Shein and get full refund. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Shein app. After that, select the option of me at the bottom right hand side corner, and over there you will be able to find the option of my orders, and on the right hand side you will be able to find the option of view all. Simply select the option of view all. This way you would be able to find all the orders of your Shein account, and right beside your orders, you will be able to find the return button. Simply click on it, and this way you would be able to return the product and get your refund. But in some cases, you might not be able to see it. The reason is that you might have waited quite long with your product in order to return it. So the return date has expired, and that's why you're not able to see it. In other case, the product is not eligible for the return, and this is why you are not able to see that particular button. After you return a product, you will be able to find that particular product in the return section as well. And after the return is complete, you would be able to get the refund for that particular product. And this is how you would be able to return a product and get the full refund. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.